Hello everyone, I am Sania Mahajan from Pathankot, basically from Punjab, and I am a legal intern in a Lexus company. Talking about defamation, in today's time period, every person is interested to know about the work, life, success of every person, and in order to discuss about it whether it is true or false, they believe in their self, and thus as per the introduction of the defamation topic is reputation is considered as a valuable property, and every person have the right to protect his reputation, and for that IPC provides section 499 and 500 for the protection of a reputation of a person. And the basic definition of a defamation is it is concerned means attacking another person's reputation by fake publication or communication to a third person. Essential element of a defamation is statement must be made and must be defamatory about the plaintiff, and which must not be privileged, and which must be published in a writing or in a oral way. And there are two types of defamation, which is libel and slander. Libel means it must be in writing, and slander means it must be in oral way, and the statement must be wrong or a fake, and which a plaintiff believe it to not to be true. In India, there is no distinction between a libel or a slander. Both the libel and a slander are considered to be as the offense as per the Indian law, and which injures the person's reputation and can lead to a legal suit. Defamation is both civil and criminal. So guys, this video is related to defamation topic, and if you like it, comment, and please do subscribe this channel Lexus Clip. And I'm legal intern as a fresher here. For the civil defamation, the remedy is provided under the torts of law, and in criminal, there is section 499 and 500 of the IPC, and this is basic important remedy which is provided to for the public or for a plaintiff or a injured person for get protection under the law. Section 499 of Indian Penal Code 1860 provide broader definition to defamation, and it also provide exception for the person to get defense under it. Exception include imputation of truth. That means if a person speaks something about any other person in a public for the good of public, and which is not which he believe it to be true or not fake, and for the public good, and that means if a person think that it should be spoken or written or published in a newspaper or in the media or anything, or to any third person for the public good, then it is not considered to be as defamation, then the person does not get any punishment under it. Thus, for conclusion is that individuals get protection under section 499 of IP. There are many rights which are provided by the Indian Constitution to Indian citizen, and one is freedom of speech, and thus every person have the right to speak in the public, but it does not cost to a public or a person's reputation. So guys, this video is related to defamation topic, and if you like it, comment, and please do subscribe this channel Lexus Clip. And I'm legal intern as a fresher here. So guys, this video is for journal purpose, and there is nothing offendable, and this is for increasing our journal knowledge and also related to a legal topic. and thank you guys for watching this video.